Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I just wanted to make this video because I noticed when I was drilling the holes for my wood storage rack that my drill press was slipping, and so I just wanted to open it up and bring you guys along for the ride and see if we can figure it out. So here we go. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm going to open this up and we're going to run it and see if we can figure out why it's slipping. So here we go. I'm just going to gently grasp the arbor here and we'll see if it's slipping at the belt or if it's slipping somewhere else. Alright, so just with a little bit of pressure I can make it slip, and I can see that it has nothing to do with the belt itself. It's actually the pulley slipping on the shaft. So let me go ahead and turn it off and we'll get to work on this. So yeah, that's definitely not supposed to be loose. Let me loosen up the belt. Alright, there's the belt. Let me grab a Allen wrench. Alright, so let me unscrew this enough to where you can slide it out. Oh yeah, okay. So it looks like the set pin here just came loose. Looks like we've been rubbing on the cord a little bit. Alright, let me go and install this back in its original position. Or try to. I'm going to lift it up just a hair so it doesn't rub on that cord. Can't go too far because it's right at the end of the shaft there. I'm going to just gently snug it up for now. Alright, I'm back. Looks like we got to come down about 1/8 of an inch. So let's go ahead and move this guy down. Trying to decide, should I move the motor? Let's move it down. Not going to be able to do that, but we will be able to do this. And we're way down. Okay. Hold that place. This thing's so greasy, it doesn't. Where's that flow down? I'm trying to see this. Slow up, sure. Probably. This is hairline. Like that. So this is fine. Bye bye. Now look. Now that. This is, okay, the motor must be off a little bit. Let's call that good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be pretty close. I mean, close enough to where it's not going to ride off the track into the next slot. That one's a lot bigger than it should be though. I'm not sure how tight these need to be. I don't want to tighten it up too far or strip it. Okay. Double check this one. Alright, I'm going to call that good. Let's stick our belt back on. See what we've got here. One more notched. I just want to tighten that up. Well, it doesn't have to be super tight. It's amazing how much grip these little V-belts have, even when they're loose. So I'll go about right there. Tighten up the belt of the motor adjusters. So that looks good. Let's give it a test. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're nice and tight now, so looks like that's it. The only problem was that the set screw came loose on this pulley. Went ahead and tightened it back up and we're good to go. Alright, well there we go. It was nothing more than just a loose set screw in the pulley. And all I had to do was tighten it down and we're good to go. So I hope that helps some of you guys out there. And if it did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Thank you guys.